Something like that, yeah. Yeah, here's a snake eating a lizard, as you can see. Let me go outside and get a better.
Is your video on?
Yeah, it's on. Oh, there he goes. He's running. He's still got the lizard in his mouth.
Where is he? He's coming on this side?
Yeah, he's trying to swallow him now. Yeah, he's slowly swallowing him. Yeah, here's a snake eating a lizard. Very slowly. Yeah, that lizard is gone. And that's the lizard I've been seeing on the screen outside here a few times. Yeah. Hey, well, you know, they eat bugs, so poor bugs. But this guy, he's our friend. He's here to help us. Oh, he's swallowing them. Look at him. He's getting them down. He's just about all the way in his mouth now. All the way down to the tail. Just about done. All he has to do now is just swallow the tail, and that's it. Now this snake won't have to eat for another 2 or 3 days. That's it. He's got him. He's looking at me like, what are you looking at? He's quite a long snake. I say he's about 2 feet long. He's a black snake. Yeah, got him a lizard for breakfast this morning.